What's up, West Coast Swing faithful? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
Here with 3 exciting announcements. What's exciting announcement number 1, Miss Megan?
We have a new channel.
We have a new YouTube channel. So we're going to continue our work here on West Coast Swing Online because we love West Coast Swing the most. But if you like dances like two-step, East Coast, nightclub, hustle, country swing, cha-cha, waltz, any of the rest of those dances, those are going to be housed on a channel called Social Dance Online. We'll link that in the corner and the description below. Second announcement we have is
we're having our second social dance workshop.
So our second social dance workshop is going to be here in Louisville, Kentucky, August 13th and 14th, Friday night and all day Saturday. It's limited to 25 leaders and 25 followers. We sold out in June when we did it. Make sure you access the information below or in the corner and come hang out with us. And the third announcement is we have some updates to the membership side of our website. There are over 700 videos there. So if you're a dance fan, West Coast Swing, two-step, any of the dances, the membership has 700 videos. Some of the cool things you'll get there. Number 1, you can sort them by dance style. You can sort all the patterns by beginner, intermediate, advanced, and pro level moves. You can type in exactly what you're looking for. And once you find a video that you really like that you're working with, you can pop it and put it in your favorite section. So it's really easy to keep track of things. And it has a comment section. So if you have questions on a particular video, Megan and I can hop in there and answer your questions. So number 1, if you love some of the other dance styles, head on over to Social Dance Online's YouTube channel. You can find those here. Number 2, come hang out with us in Louisville, Kentucky, August 13th and 14th. And if you haven't yet, give a membership a spin over on westcoastswingonline.com. 700 videos, really cool stuff, even cooler than YouTube. We're super happy to be back dancing. Thank you for all the support, and we will see you on a dance floor really soon.